Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a toffee vending machine. First, gather your materials. You will need several pieces of sturdy cardboard, a strong adhesive like hot glue, and a sharp craft knife. Also, have a ruler, a pencil, and a small coin ready for the mechanism. Preparing your workspace now will make the entire building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's focus on the core of your vending machine, the dispensing system. Carefully cut your cardboard into precise shapes for the main box. Then, design and construct the coin slot and the internal release lever. This lever is crucial, as it will hold the toffees and release one when a coin is inserted. Make sure it moves smoothly and consistently. With the mechanism built, it's time for assembly. Use your strong adhesive to securely glue all the cardboard pieces together, forming the complete vending machine structure. Once assembled, thoroughly test the coin mechanism and dispensing function multiple times to ensure it works perfectly. Finally, unleash your creativity and decorate your machine with paint, stickers, or markers to give it a unique look. Your cardboard toffee vending machine is almost ready. Load it up with your favorite small toffees or candies. Now, proudly demonstrate its operation to your friends and family, showing off your amazing creation. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your handmade vending machine and the sweet treats it dispenses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.